Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I don't know if you can tell or not, but we are getting a snowstorm. I love the snow. If it's gonna snow, snow big. 25, 30 centimeters. That is 10 centimeters. And for anybody who's not from Canada, that would be inches. That conversion quick, my math. I'm not good at math. There we go. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna go out, plow the driveway. Stick around if you guys want to hang out. Cool. I think we might head our way out to the cabin after a bit, but let's get this done first. I gotta get myself a proper snow shovel. An ice scraper. That's my driveway. 1,213 feet long. That was funny. Yeah, this old Jeep works pretty good. Keeps the driveway plowed. Gives me my weekend fun out in the woods. Gets me back and forth to the camp. My son loves it. Plus, it's a workhorse. So I gotta call it quits. Thanks for hanging out with us for a little bit. Plowing the driveway here at Penniac Woods. Take care of yourselves. This is the kind of snow I'm talking about, man. 5, 10 centimeters, like 1, 2 inches. No way. If you're gonna come down in foots. 30 to 35 centimeters at a time. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, go for it. Till the next video, you take care of yourselves. Stay dry, stay warm. We'll see you later. Get some food.